Welcoming in the new year, wrapping up the old and continuing our ukulele adventures. We've got a 4-chord song for you. Auld Lang Syne was a standard at my house. It kind of makes me a little weepy because I think of all the friends that have passed and relatives, and a little sad too, but C, F, G, and A minor. Let's dig in. Hey, this is a shout out to my patron, Andrew, who suggested this song. It was on my short list, so thanks for giving me a nudge there. Please consider supporting me on Patreon. You get access to all my chord charts, like this one. Let me give you a quick look here. It shows you the strumming pattern spelled out, the chords. I have an introduction. I have suggestions for how to get out of the song as well, chord diagrams, and then these box diagrams, which help you discern how many times you have to play a chord in order to make it through the song. So great tools. I hope you find it useful. Let's learn that strum pattern. We're going to take a cowboy strum. I've got a link up here if you need to know what the cowboy strum is. We're going to take a cowboy strum and modify it. Instead of a partial 2-chord, we're going to go all the way down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. If you're counting out in 4, it's 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. In this song, you're doing this pattern twice on every chord, except for when you're not. We break out of that 2 patterns per chord when we reach the end of each phrase, whether it's the verse or the chorus, and you're going, Auld Lang Syne. And then we go back on C. If you're a brand new beginner, I got a way to make that easier. Switching from F to G involves moving a lot of fingers quite a distance. So you can give yourself a little cheat, and you can give yourself an extra half beat to make that switch. Let me break it down in detail. When you're playing your F, you do the 2 down strums on the F. On the up strum, lift up all your fingers, I'm exaggerating there, to get them in place for G. So down, down, lift, G. So timing it with the strums, down, down, up, G. So practice that a little bit over and over again, and then let's play it together. Oh, and if you're with me this far, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Did you understand how you could give yourself an extra half beat? If not, boy, I'd be happy to explain to you. Let me know what you think of this, and do you have memories of Auld Lang Syne? Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, let's just practice that where we're going, Auld Lang Syne. Here we go. And Auld Lang Syne. Do it again. For Auld Lang Syne. One last time. For Auld Lang Syne. That's the tricky part of the chords and strumming and everything in this, so let's get together and do a play along. Let's do a little play along, the first verse and the last verse with choruses on either side of them. If you'd like a chord chart, there's 2 links down below, one for Patreon and then one for Gumroad. You can put it in for $0 and get it for free. If it's worth something to you, I'd sure appreciate a tip. Thanks. 1, 2, ready, begin. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all night to everyone. And thank you, Grandma. I love you.